everyone, so this time I have come with a video in which I will tell you all that how to do contouring, how to do blush, how to put blush, and when to use the highlighter, the steps exactly, and means which comes after the other, and exactly how to apply it. And to be very honest, I haven't done anything with my eyes in this video. I just did this eyeshadow in 2 minutes. I haven't done my like eyebrows or anything else. I just did my face makeup because I wanted to concentrate on just onto the face makeup. Another video I will make after a few days where I can show you that what is the means exactly what goes wrong if you doesn't do contouring, blush and highlighter in the correct steps, and so that will come into some other video, but this is the first time I have done a video where I can show you, where I will be showing you that how to do contour, conceal, blush, highlight and everything. What are the steps, where what comes after the other. So I hope you will all like it, and stay tuned and see the video, and bye bye. Okay, so I'm using this Color Bar primer, and I just took a little bit and applied it all over my face. You should give some time after applying the primer. Then I'm using my Infallible foundation shade 140 Golden Beige. I always prefer using a foundation brush for my foundation because I feel that I can utilize the full amount of foundation that I have taken. And usually in a blending sponge, the foundation is wasted, but the blending is very smooth and nice in a sponge. The next thing I will be using is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer shade 10 Light. I'm putting it on underneath my eyes, on the nose tip, on the side of my nose, on my cupid zone and on the middle of my forehead, exactly on the center of my forehead. These are the places, these are the high points which are needed to be highlighted. So I am putting the concealer exactly on this area, and make sure the concealer is blended on exactly on the places that the concealer is put. Don't put the concealer all over your face. The second thing, I'm putting this concealer on the under, means on the lower part of my face, because this will give the contour more sharp and clear look. So now I have taken my contour brush and I will be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour palette. Now the place that you have to understand where you have to put is the contour is you have to make a pout, and don't go into the hollow part of your face, just on the lower part of your cheekbones. It should not be on the hollow part, above the hollow part. You have to understand that. And one more thing that you have to understand, that the contour should not, the shade should not go below, means your eyeball. It should be till the middle of your face, till the place where you can exactly on the straight line of your eyeball. It should not come near your lips. And you should blend the contour on your hairline, so it will give a much more natural look. The people who have a broad forehead like mine, you should always contour your forehead with the same shade, and the one who have a double chin should always use the contour on the lower part of your face, on the chin of your face. This will give a much more sharp look to your face. Now I'm using the same contour palette and I'm taking the powder part and I'm using it on the places that I have put the concealer, and I haven't dusted the extra powder. I have kept the powder till there, and I'm waiting for a few times to set the places that I have put the concealer before. Now I'm dusting off the extra powder that I have left it there, and now it's time for the nose contour. I'm using again the same contour palette and putting it on the side of my nose. So you can see I'm using a brush to put the contour and blending it properly so that no harsh line remains. Now it's time for the blush. I'm using this Sivana Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. And always with a smile, you should always put your blush nicely. The third thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to use the highlighter, this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter on the shade Molten Gold, and I'm putting it on my cheekbones, my nose tip, on my cupid zone, and on my forehead. And here it doesn't finish it off here. You should always highlight your brow bone, and your inner corner of your eyes. This gives the eye a much more bigger and brighter look. So here I am done with the steps of highlighting, contouring, blushing, and the last I'm using this Maybelline lipstick on the shade Pink 1. So hope you guys have really liked the video, and if I have helped you in any way, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and click on the notification icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. Love you, take care, and bye bye.